Hey there, Sean with Clone My Business. And in this video, what I want to do is cover something very important. The number one problem that people have once they figured out what services they want to offer, once they figure out what niche they're serving, the biggest question that I've seen that people have is how to price their services. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our handy dandy friend of ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you want to use. Chat works just great for me. In this last video that I did, we talked about what are the best services to offer hair salons. So we covered what services to offer. And if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. I'll have it all in the same playlist so you can see how to use all the best AI tools to create your business quickly. And if you don't see that there, you can always go to clonemydigitalbusiness.com and see all of the same information over there. It's a free course for you. It's 100% free, and it's all based on my own experience of having my digital marketing agency since 2010, which I still own and operate, and I run it all on HighLevel, and I use fun tools like chat. That said, we are going to figure out how to price these things. Okay, so keeping in mind all of this above, we're just going to ask chat. So let's say something like this: with the above in mind, how should I price these services? So we're just going to let chat do some of the hard thinking for us, and then we can figure out what we want to do or not. Okay, pricing digital marketing services for hair salon owners requires careful consideration of various factors, including the complexity of services, the time and resources, blah, 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 and market rates, right? You might charge a hair salon in California a little bit more than you would charge a hair salon in Kansas, for example, right? Number one, local SEO and Google My Business Optimization, $500 to $1,500 a month. Okay, social media, $1,000 to $2,500. I feel like, well, if you're running ads, sure, plus ad spend. Online booking and integration, okay, one-time setup fee of $500 plus $1,000 monthly maintenance. This is interesting. Number three, online booking integration and an SMS appointment reminders. Keep in mind that any one of these services you can build an entire business on. Any one of these. Okay, so let's say you focused strictly on this. You have an online booking integration and you set up text reminders for all of their clients. That's a big deal to hair salon owners because they don't want to be calling and following up or manually having to text. It should be automated, right? So you charge a one-time setup fee of $500 to $1,000, and then you have a monthly maintenance fee of $100 to $300. You could build your entire business off of this one service alone. Reviews, that's a big deal. So pricing range $500 to $1,500 a month. That might be a little high, just offering reviews. Pricing considerations. Consider offering packages that bundle several services together at a discounted rate. Value-based pricing, focus on the value that your services are providing to the client. If your services are directly leading to increased bookings and revenues, your pricing should reflect that value. Market rates, be aware of what other agencies in your area are charging for similar services. That's not as big a deal to me as much as the return on investment that the salon owners are seeing. So in the video that we talked about using chat to figure out what services to offer, you want to make sure that you're focusing on the services that are going to drive immediate tangible value. So we talked about doing a database reactivation, we talked about driving reviews, and we talked about running ads. All three of those you could package together and charge easily $500 a month for access. Now, let's say, and this is if you're doing software with the service. So you're using the HighLevel software, but then you're also offering this as a service. Let's say that you want to be completely hands off. You don't want to have a team. You just want to give the hair salon owners access to this as a pure SaaS model. So let's just ask that. What about if I'm only offering HighLevel as SaaS mode, giving my clients direct access themselves? Something like that, right? Offering HighLevel as a SaaS mode solution can be a lucrative model. It is a lucrative model, my friend. Okay, so offering HighLevel as a software as a service solution to your clients can be a lucrative model. Yes, it is, as it allows them to directly access and use the platform themselves. However, it's important to package and price it in a way that reflects the value it provides while also considering your target market and the specific needs of hair salon owners. Okay, so how to package and price HighLevel as SaaS for hair salons. Number one, tiered pricing structure, basic package. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this. Basic package include the core features that every salon would need, such as appointment booking, SMS reminders, and email marketing. You could price that at $99 to $199. Pro package, $200 to $399, and that's got social media integrations, automated marketing campaigns, reputation management. Premium package, all of the features along with priority support, custom integrations, and ongoing training, $4 to $5.99 a month. Those are all fantastic. Those are great packages. And you could even just choose to do one package. It's like, here's one price, or you can offer a tiered system like this. And I talk about all of this, the pros and cons of having either one package or multiple packages in the course. If you haven't gone to the course yet, it's 100% free. Go to clonemydigitalbusiness.com, enroll in the course, go through all of the information there. It's all listed out exactly in kind of step-by-step format, exactly how you can make your first $6,000 in under 30 days. In this case, helping hair salon owners or helping chiropractors or helping dentists or whatever niche you choose to work with. You can do that, and it's all step by step. It's like a cheat sheet, basically a game plan for you to do that right now in under 30 days. So you can see here, by using this tool, our friend ChatGPT, it can help you do a lot of the brainstorming and help you do a lot of the thinking so that you can hurry and get this set up, so that you can hurry and get helping business owners, so that you can grow your own business and then have the money that you want to be able to break free of the 9-to-5 job, pay off that credit card debt, or take that vacation, or whatever it is, the reason why you're starting the business, basically to break free. If you have any questions, just comment below, let me know, or you can always send me an email, Sean, SEAN, at clonemydigitalbusiness.com. A real guy really reads my emails, and I'll give you a real answer. Let me know how I can help you get your business set up as fast as possible. I'll see you in the next video.